Do a fun little test on the version 3 Sonicwake today on trim tabs. We fitted our upgrade kit on the back of this last week. Took it for a spin and the thing ran like it was on rails. It was just unbelievable. I actually went ahead and fitted our longer stinger as well, which isn't part of the kit. That's a separate part. Not everybody needs this, but if you're serious about getting the thing going fast, you do want the extra length that this has. Flat surface like all our stingers have as well. Being longer, the prop doesn't hit the rudder if you're going to run big props. What I want to know today is what's the difference between this and the trim tabs that come in our kit. Ours are about the same length. They might be 1, maybe 2 millimeters longer, and they're close to 10 millimeters wider. So I'm just going to do a test with the tabs set dead flat. I've already adjusted these up so they're level with the bottom of the hull. It's not the fastest way to run the boat, but you know, it's the most stable way. So we're just going to do maybe 3 laps like this and 3 laps with this and see if there's a difference. All right, part 1 of our test. I'm just going to do 3 laps. With the standard trim tabs set at 0 degrees. A bit close to the edge there. Bouncy on the corner. A little bit wobbly. Oh, we'll do one more. Okay.
That was a prime example of why you shouldn't say one more.
Yeah. All right. So it's pretty good, but it's not like on rails. Okay, let's bolt the other trim tabs on and we'll see if we can see a difference. All right, test number 2. Let's see if there's a visible difference. But it's too fast for this lake.
Yeah, it sure is.
First thing you notice when you're driving, it actually turns nicer, a lot flatter. Not bouncing around at all. There's a definite difference. Yeah, you can definitely turn it way better. That's as fast as I can turn it. I wouldn't have the trim tabs this low. I would lift them up after this test. But we just wanted to keep them flat to be exactly the same as the other trim tabs. Getting a bit rough out here now. I think that was a fairly fair test.
I'd say so. So we'll just set up the same. You can't do anything more fair than that.
No. I don't want to stop driving it because it's too much fun, Brock. But I know that low voltage cut gets me.
It's a little bit wrong, yeah.
Yeah, it just keeps going down too low.
Has caught us out a few times, hasn't it? Well, every time, really.
Yeah, I've never brought this boat back once when it's been they've been on 3.8.
There was around 3.6-ish.
3.3 the first time before we knew.
Yeah, that was really bad, but
cutting in.
I suppose we've got better at controlling yourself there, haven't we?
All right, I will bring it in this lap, Brock.
One more? Nah.
No more, one more.